All right, so we're continuing with this book here and working through each chapter with a video. So if you'd like to download this book, just use this reference right here and go to Gumroad. I think it's $2.99. The cool thing about having the booklet, it's a PDF file that you can download, but you get the code as well. So any of the code that we use, you can just copy and paste into your app and things like that. But if you haven't seen the other videos, here they are right here. Plus you get a list of all the videos and how it flows together. So we've talked about creating a list, creating the application, see these videos. Of course, you can just search Google for Lush. There's no space, just Lush. You can just put Lush and the number, by the way. You can add new records, how we add new records to SharePoint from within PowerApps. And we do this actually in a pop-up screen. So you can see the pop-up video there. And then the latest that we just did was edit the data in the application. And now, and you can pause the video. You can see the different topics that we review. And now we're going to talk about deleting the record, and maybe we'll do save changes, we'll see. But let's delete the record. So let's go ahead and go on down there to delete record. This isn't that much content, very easy. So let's go ahead and jump right to it. So we're going to show you actually in the app, but we'll just start here with instructions. Remember, and I cannot emphasize this enough, you have to be on the record itself within the gallery. See number 2 there and number 3, the pencil. Very, very important. I get more questions because people are not in the gallery, right? They go here and then they say, I selected the gallery, and then I put in, I wanted to add my trash can. Great. And I hit trash can, and then my trash can appears, but it's not inside of my gallery, right? If it was in my gallery, it would appear on every record. The reason for this is you did not select the pencil. So just remember, select the pencil right there to edit the gallery. Then you go up here and type in trash, and we're going to click on trash. And now notice that the trash can is inside every single record, and that's what we want. For me, I always put the trash can in the upper left, or most of the time I put it in the upper left, and that's just because I don't want it where somebody's accidentally trying to save and then they accidentally hit the delete key. Now, we talked about pop-ups in a previous video. I can go back to that video list in a minute. We talked about pop-ups. That's a great application to put a warning, because when you set a delete key and we program in this delete key, it doesn't warn you. It just deletes the record, and you're going to see we're going to delete Donald Duck here, but it does not warn you. So a lot of times I'll put in a warning. So you'll click on this, it'll go to a pop-up. The pop-up will say, are you sure you want to delete this? If they hit cancel, then it cancels it and doesn't delete it, and they say yes, then it deletes it. So you can put in those type of things. I would suggest that you might want to do that. But let's go back to this trash can here we've just added, and let's give this bad boy some color. Now, notice there's 2 color things here. This is the background color. So let me show you real quick. Okay, that's what that does. All right, so we don't want that. So what we want to do is color the trash can itself, and we want to make it red. Just so I try to use red and green, sometimes red for bad, green for good. So anyways, that's how that is. I don't know how red got the unfortunate bad label put on it, but that's what I do. Okay, so here, again, we just did that. We click on the tree view here for the gallery. We see the gallery here, number 2. We insert the gallery. We type in trash 4, and then we get to it, and we put it in there. Now, here's the code that we're going to put in. Again, if you download the PDF, you can do exactly what I'm doing right now, which is just copy and paste this right into the app itself. So that makes it a lot better. So here, and remember, we're on the on select. So again, you can do all of this work just by following the pictures. You don't really have to read. So 1, 2, we renamed that button, by the way, to delete record. I like to rename things. Now, it's funny, I show this on the right side. I actually, in the actual app, you'll see it's actually sitting on the left. But we're going to pump this right in, number 4. We're going to pump this right into the on select. Now notice here you have the name of the list, okay, and then the remove command. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. So here on select, we've selected the trash can. We have it there. Let's just name it button trash. Okay, won't impact what we're doing here. We're going to just go ahead and highlight that. We're going to do a Control V to paste. Now, it happens to be that this app is named Flow Notes because I made these notes off of this app. But if yours is not named Flow Notes, then you'll just put in the name of your list right there. Okay, and if you go down, oh, we can't see any now, but that's how that works. Okay, so click on this, select remove flow notes, this item, and then do that. Now, what does it mean, this item? Well, this item means that it's this item. Notice this is a second item. Item 1, item 2. Donald Duck is item 1. Mickey Mouse is item 2. Okay, and so on. So if we say we're going to delete Donald Duck, we're just going to hit delete, and it will delete the record. Notice it just went away. Okay, so that's as easy as it is. That's how you program in a delete button. And so just go out, copy this, and paste it into your application. All right, so what are we doing next? We're going to save the changes. Now, saving the changes from an edit table, it's not that hard, but we have to put in, we're going to look at the data inside and use a command called patch. Right, no, that's not it. All right, oh, here it is right here. So we're going to set a toggle up. We're going to use a command called patch, which is going to compare the data that exists in the list and against the data that's in the note itself. And then we're going to set that up. So go ahead and, oh, this isn't the patch area. Oh, there's patch right there. So go ahead and take a look at the next video. We're going to go over that, and we'll talk to you then. Thanks. Bye.